Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve Picklist values from Salesforce. If you're managing data or building reports, understanding what values exist in your Picklists is essential for maintaining consistency across your organization. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce setup area. Look up to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. Click on that gear icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This is your central hub for all administrative and configuration tasks in Salesforce, so you'll become quite familiar with this area. Once you're in the setup page, direct your attention to the navigation. You'll see Object Manager located right beside the Home tab at the top of the page. Click on Object Manager. This is where Salesforce stores all the different objects in your system, whether they're standard objects like account and contact or custom objects you've built for your specific business needs. Now you need to locate the specific object that contains the pick list you're interested in. Let's say you're working with the account object. Use the search bar to type in the name of your object, for example, account, and then click on the object name when it appears in the results. This will take you into that object's detailed configuration page where you can manage all its fields and settings. Once you're inside your chosen object, look for the Fields and Relationships section and click on it. This area displays all the fields that exist within that object, including text fields, number fields, formula fields, and of course, pick lists. You'll see a comprehensive list of every field configured for this object. From this list, locate and click on your specific pick list field name. For instance, if you're looking for industry categories, you might click on a field called Industry. Clicking on the field name opens up its detailed configuration page where you can see how the field is set up and what values are available. Finally, scroll down on this page until you reach the values-related list. This is exactly what you came for. Here you'll see a complete table displaying all the Picklist values that users can select from. The table shows you the value labels that users see, the API names that developers use, whether each value is currently active or inactive, and the sort order that determines how they appear in the dropdown. This comprehensive view gives you everything you need to understand and manage your Picklist options effectively. And that's it. You've successfully accessed all the Picklist values for your field in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.